Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get a refund on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official website of grubhub.com or open up the application on your mobile phone, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where as you can see, here is where you can see all the restaurants that we can have, and here is our option to enter our profile and so on. So guys, go ahead and log into your account where your order was placed, and let's say you aren't satisfied with your order and now you want to place a refund. Well guys, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead right here into the upper right corner, or in your mobile phone it may be a little different, but go ahead and click your profile icon right here. That's going to open up this settings option right here where you have multiple settings. So as you can see, you have past orders, upcoming orders and so on. As you can see here guys, there is an option right here that says help. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and select the help option right here. Click on help guys, and now this will open up this new page where we can get help for our account. So what do we want to do now guys? Well, you want to go ahead and see all the options that you can access right here, and you'll see that one of them is named billing, payments and refunds. So what we want to do guys, go ahead and open up that option right here, and you want to go ahead and get a refund. So as you can see, there is no option right here, but you want to click need more help option right here, and then you can go ahead and get started chatting with them. Click the chat with us option, and this will lead you to their customer support where you will be able to go ahead and get started chatting with them. Just enter in your info right here, what your message is. I didn't get my order, I want a refund. Type out what your problem is and click start chat to start chatting with them, and they will be able to refund you. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.